Hey, Tanya, this is Dominique and Kelly again, providing you another weekly update. As you can see, we actually had your materials dropped off today. So your frame materials are here. The framers are going to be started on that tomorrow as well as through the weekend. So that's really going to be our next focus for the next week. Get your home framed properly. Once that's done, I am going to inspect it, as well as the supervisor of Dunbar will also inspect it. So you're going to get twice the fun, and we're going to get everything cleared up for you to get it ready for mechanical. So we're rolling, and everything's good. Have a good one.